Human-environment interaction. The tropical and subtropical region. The tropical and subtropical regions extend between 30 degrees north and 30 degrees south of the equator. The Amazon basin, which lies between 15 degrees north and 15 degrees south latitudes in the tropical region, and the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin, which lies in the subtropical zone between 20 degrees north and 30 degrees north latitudes. The climate within this belt is generally warm with abundant rainfall. Amazon Basin. River Amazon is the second longest river in the world and largest in terms of volume of water carried by it. It originates from the Andes Mountain in Peru and flows eastwards into the Atlantic Ocean. Its vast river basin covers parts of Brazil, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, and Venezuela. It has more than 1,000 tributaries and its basin is the largest in the world. Climate and vegetation, wildlife, people. Climate and vegetation. The Amazon basin lies in the equatorial region where the climate is hot and wet throughout the year. The average temperature is around 30 degrees Celsius and the annual rainfall is more than 200 centimeters. It rains here almost daily and the humidity is very high, though the nights are comparatively cooler. There is very little difference between the length of day and night. The warm, wet climate results in thick evergreen forests called tropical rainforests. These are called cells. The trees here are tall with thick foliage which prevents sunlight from reaching the ground. The main trees are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, cinchona, which are hardwood trees. Balsa, the lightest wood, is also found in these forests. The forests yield a variety of products ranging from rubber, nuts, gums, raisins to quinine, which is a drug used to cure malaria. Wildlife. These evergreen forests are very rich in wildlife, which includes mammals like monkeys, jaguars, tapirs, sloths, anteaters, etc. A variety of birds and insects are also found here. The basin is home to several species of reptiles and snakes like pythons and anacondas, and crocodiles too. Several species of fish are also found in the rivers. People. The Amazon basin is home of several tribes who lead a very primitive life, collecting food by hunting and fishing. They live in small huts made of branches and leaves built on platforms to avoid flood waters. They grow crops like tapioca, sweet potato, pineapple, bananas, etc. Patches of land are cleared to grow these crops. This is known as slash and burn agriculture. Certain cash crops like rubber, coffee, cocoa, and nuts are also grown. This region is rich in minerals like gold, iron ore, copper, manganese, and bauxite. The life in the basin is gradually changing. The construction of the Trans-Amazonian Highway has made all parts of the basin accessible, but with the result of these developmental activities, forest areas are disappearing. Slash and burn agriculture. Slash and burn agriculture is practiced in certain parts of India too. A piece of land is cleared by cutting down trees and burning the stumps. These patches are cultivated for 2 to 3 years and after that lose their fertility. These are abundant and then they clear new patches for cultivation. Such methods are harmful for the environment and attempts are being made to check it. Ganga-Brahmaputra Basin. The Ganga-Brahmaputra Basin is one of the largest river basins in the world. Lying south of the Himalayas, it extends approximately 2,500 km between River Satluj in the west and River Brahmaputra in the east. The area is drained by River Ganga and River Brahmaputra and their tributaries. Both the river Ganga and Brahmaputra originate from glaciers, and after running through the plains of the subcontinent, they join together in the lower course before falling into the Bay of Bengal, forming the world's largest delta called the Sundarbans. Climate and vegetation, wildlife, people. River Brahmaputra. River Brahmaputra flows through 3 different countries and is known by different names. In Tibet, it is called Sangpo, and in Bangladesh, it is called Jamuna and Meghna. Climate and vegetation. This basin lies in the subtropical region and enjoys monsoon type of climate. Here summers are hot and wet and winters are cool and dry. The southwest monsoon winds blowing between June and September bring heavy rainfall. Rivers carry huge amount of silt, which helps in enriching the floodplains of North India. The topography in this basin is varied. While certain areas are mountainous, the major area is a fertile plain supporting dense population. The lower mountains are covered with thick tropical deciduous forests where trees like teak, sal and bamboo are found. These have great commercial value. The delta region has mangrove forests where Sundari trees are mainly found. Food crops like rice, wheat, sorghum, gram, millets are grown on large scale. Cash crops like sugarcane, cotton, jute and tea are also cultivated in several areas. Wildlife. The Ganga plain is devoid of much wildlife as the area is now supporting dense population. But in the Brahmaputra plains, elephants, tigers, deers, monkeys and even one-horned rhinoceros are found. The delta area is home of the Royal Bengal tiger, crocodiles and alligators. The area is also rich in aquatic life. People. The mountain areas are sparsely populated but the plains support very dense population. Agriculture is the main occupation here. Though the size of farms is small, the primitive methods of agriculture have been replaced by modern farming techniques. Several agro-based industries have developed in the Ganga plain. The Brahmaputra plain is rich in petroleum deposits. It is dotted with several important cities like the capital New Delhi, Lucknow, Kanpur, Varanasi, Patna, Kolkata, to name a few.